Hello guys, so here you see me chopping up some strawberries. Today I am going to make for you guys a coconut cream strawberry matcha latte. Here we have the 2 tablespoons of water, so in it goes. And now the 2 tablespoons of the sugar, and off to the stove it goes. Now for the next step, we're going to make the matcha, and that's going to be 1 teaspoon of the matcha, and then we are going to add 2 ounces of hot water, and then we're going to whisk it really fast. Okay, to this I am going to add a little bit of vanilla syrup. In goes the vanilla syrup. I did about 1 ounce. And now we whisk it again. Make it nice and frothy. Okay, so now we set the matcha aside. Now we mash, however you want to say it, the strawberries. In the measuring cup, we have 1/3 of coconut cream. In here, I have the maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and that's going to go into the coconut cream. And now we are going to froth this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add the strawberry mixture to the bottom of the glass without trying to spill it all over the place. So here we go. Look how yummy that looks. Tell me that doesn't look yummy. And messy. Okay, so there is the strawberries. Next, we are going to add in some ice. 1, 2, and 3. Next, we are going to add in the coconut milk. Ooh la la. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Just tell me that. Look at that, how yum. I just love the way that it looks. And last but not least, and I think I'm going to froth this a little bit more because it has been sitting there. So let's froth it a little. And now we pour in the matcha. Look at those colors, guys. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. And of course, I need to add some coconut milk ready whipped cream. And voila. It is done. And now you know what I do, right? I taste it. Except that this one is going to be for my son, Anthony. So I am not going to taste it. I'm going to make 2 more. I'm not going to vlog those. So I'm going to make 1 for me and 1 for James. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you make this. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.